Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat internet connection. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now if your Snapchat is also showing the internet connection problem, you just simply have to go into your settings application, and now after going into settings application, just simply go to your data use setting, and into the data use setting just simply select the network access option into here. Now after going into network option, you just simply have to select installed apps into here. Now just simply find out the application of Snapchat into here, and if you see your Snapchat application is not using any of the mobile data or Wi-Fi connection, you just simply have to enable the option that you are using currently. And after opening the permissions for network access, your Snapchat network connection will be fixed and start working again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.